Today's message. Dear beings of light, we find ourselves in crucial moments of our spiritual evolution, a decisive time that invites us to exercise our deepest discernment. Before we unfold a sea of information, not all of it truthful, designed in many cases to promote fear and division in our hearts, with the intent to lower our energetic vibrations, weaken our immune system, and distance us from our natural state of well-being and harmony. I urge you to carefully evaluate the intentions behind each message you receive. Darkness seeks to divide us through hatred, fanaticism, the promotion of disaster, fear of the end times, and apocalyptic predictions. With this, they aim to distance us from our path towards the light. However, you possess within you a power and a light unmatched, capable of manifesting and living in paradise on earth, enjoying the beauty and fullness that God and the energies of the universe have to offer us. The key is to remember who you are, beings of light living a human experience, in full transition towards the consciousness of the fifth dimension, where love, joy, peace, unity, and abundance reign. This new state of being, the fifth dimension, has no room for the old, low energies of darkness, such as fear, criticism, selfishness, division of families, countries, and hatred. I encourage you to embrace the light within us and to let love be your guide. Always keep this in mind. Victory is ours. Light always triumphs over darkness. Love conquers fear. Freedom overcomes oppression. Unity triumphs over division. And peace is our ultimate destination. Stand firm in your light, for our light is more powerful than you can imagine. Open your hearts to unconditional love, and let your inner light guide others to their enlightenment. Together, we illuminate the path to a new dawn for humanity. I send you infinite love and the highest vibrations, reminding you that you are magnificent beings, capable of creating the reality you wish to live. We are a light of hope on this journey towards our divine evolution. The era of light, of unconditional love, is already here, palpable in every act of kindness we perform, in every gesture of compassion, in every choice made from the heart. I love each of you deeply, and I bless you with all my being. I am Zoe, a voice for We Are Positive worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you so much. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. If you are new to the channel and this topic resonated with you, do not forget to subscribe, leave your comments, and share. Together, we can learn and expand our knowledge on this spiritual journey, allowing us to achieve the life we truly deserve. Thank you, thank you, thank you.